spiritual feeling, right? And I think some people get caught up on the word spiritual, right?
Yeah.
Because it's, well, one, it's sometimes hard to define, right? And or a lot of people have different definitions of what it means to be spiritual, right?
Sure. And that's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and that's
Yeah.
okay. And so, when I work with clients, I tell them, like, I do think it's important to have something, some kind of connection, um, higher than themselves. And again, it
Hmm.
doesn't need to be a deity or supernatural,
Right.
right? Because you can gain a ton of gratitude from that, right? And I'll
Absolutely.
just give you a personal example. My dog has since passed away, but every night I take him outside and for him to go to the bathroom. And I would look up in the sky and I'd look up towards the stars and I would just have this very intense feeling of gratitude. And it's
Yeah.
because I was just like, and I know this is kind of sounds weird, but like I'm staring off into space right now. Like this is like that's literally like that goes on and on and on and on.
Yep.
And there's this greater sense of just being part of this
Mm.
huge thing and
Yes.
like I'm here. I get to be here
Yes.
in this, which if you look at the statistics are not in your favor of existing,
Correct.
right? You're
Yes.
more likely not to exist than to exist. And somehow I ended up on this planet. And yeah, I might have horrible, you might have horrible experiences, horrible like these human emotions that we
Hmm.
have, but I get to be part of this. I,
Yeah.
I got to at least experience instead of just not, right? And even like, I work with people, who have a harder time with the religious aspects and the spiritual aspects. It's if we will look through just a very naturalistic perspective, right?
Hmm.
And so this is the known universe, and we know that we are all made up of the same particles and atoms that make up this entire universe,
Yes.
right? And so this like kind of